everyone. In today's video, first you will listen to a short conversation between a father and his daughter. Based on this conversation, there is a quiz for you so that you can check your understanding. In final part of the video, where you are going to understand some vocabulary related to this conversation. So I hope in this video you are going to learn many things. Let's dive into the video now. Dad, can we go to amusement park this weekend?
Sure, Sarah. Which one do you want to go to?
What about the one downtown?
That sounds like a fun idea.
What snacks should we take along?
I can pack some sandwiches and fruit for us.
Yum, I love sandwiches and fruit.
Make sure to tell your cousins about the plan.
Okay, I think it might rain later in the day.
That's all right. We can always find some indoor rides.
I will let Mike and Lily know to bring their umbrellas.
Don't forget to grab your raincoat too.
Okay, will Uncle John be joining us?
Of course, your uncle will be there. Where is he?
He is out in the garden planting flowers.
Let's go get him.
You can get him. I will inform Mike and Lily. Okay, now it's time to move for quiz. Let's test your knowledge. You have few seconds to think about your option and then you can choose your correct answer. So let's move towards the first question. The question is, who suggests going to the amusement park? Correct answer is Sarah. Sarah is the person. She wants to go to the amusement park. That's why she gave this suggestion to her dad. Next question, what does dad suggest for snacks? Correct answer is fruits and sandwiches. Dad suggests packing fruits and sandwiches for snacks during their amusement park visit. Next question, what does dad suggest for the possible rain? Dad advises Sarah to bring raincoat due to the possibility of rain. Next question is, who is planting flowers in the garden? Correct answer is Uncle John. Uncle John is the person who was planting flowers in the garden and they are also going for the amusement park. Next question is, who is asked to inform their cousins about the plan? Correct answer is Sarah. Dad asks Sarah to inform her cousins about the plan to go to the amusement park. Next question, what activity might they do if it rains? Correct answer is indoor rides. Dad suggests that if it rains, they can still enjoy themselves by going on indoor rides. Next question, what is Sarah's favorite snack among the suggested options? Correct answer is sandwiches and fruits. Sarah expresses her liking for sandwiches and fruits to her dad. Last question, who will definitely join them at the amusement park? It was Uncle John. He was definitely going to the park. Okay, that's it for the quiz. Drop your comments. Is this quiz easy for you or not? Okay, now let's move to the final part of the video where you are going to understand some vocabulary related to this conversation. First word is amusement park. Amusement park is a large outdoor area with various attractions, rides, and games for entertainment. So this is like a fun zone where you can enjoy various things, जिसको कि हम मेला भी बोलते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग वहां पे जाते हैं just for enjoyment. Next is downtown. Downtown is the heartbeat of the city where everything cool and exciting goes on. Tons of shops, actions, and cool spots to hang out. This is the central part of a city, usually having commercial and business activities. Means कि city का central part जहाँ पे बहुत सारी facilities हैं, बहुत सारी shops हैं, markets हैं और commercially वो area जो है वो बहुत developed है. Next is snacks. This is a small portion of food eaten between a regular meals, usually lighter than a full meal. मोस्टली जो स्नैक्स होते हैं वो हम इवनिंग टाइम में लेते हैं या फिर ब्रेकफास्ट से पहले भी कई लोग स्नैक्स लेते हैं क्योंकि ये नॉर्मल मील से लाइट होते हैं. देन इंडोर राइड. These are fun rides tucked away indoors, so no worries about getting soaked if it suddenly rains out. ये भी बहुत सारी राइड्स हैं लेकिन ये इंडोर्स होती हैं ताकि अगर कोई रेन आ जाए या बाहर वेदर खराब हो जाए तब भी आपका एंटरटेनमेंट जो है वो खत्म नहीं होना चाहिए. आप इनसाइड में भी बहुत सारी राइड्स एंजॉय कर सकते हैं जिसको बोलते हैं इंडोर राइड्स. देन प्लांटिंग फ्लावर्स. एडिंग सम कलरफुल फ्लावर्स टू द ग्राउंड टू मेक द गार्डन लुक ऑसम. बहुत सारे कलरफुल प्लांट्स लगाना, दैट इज प्लांटिंग फ्लावर्स. Then inform, to give information or tell someone about something. किसी को कोई बात बताना, that is to inform someone something. Okay, that's all about today's video. I hope it was interesting and you have learned something from it. So please provide me your valuable feedback कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी and in the future what type of videos you are looking for. I'm waiting for your comments. Meet you with another exciting video. Till then, enjoy your learning. Have a good day. Bye-bye.